Dynamic particles animation. You can change the size, the height, the width of these particles, the color, and also the speed. So you can use this to any of your project, or in any specific hero section, or in your website, or show us a specific page. Also, we already released another particles, which is the geometric style. You can check that one as well. And this one we also have the full tutorial, which is already uploaded in this channel, Kazukiyan. Okay, so if you're interested, guys, just watch the video. And we already included a CSS and the JavaScript, which can be implemented to WordPress and in any page builder like Oxygen and Elementor. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the container, and if we open the page editor, okay, we have this code here, which have the CSS and the JavaScript, the main container, and also this one here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye and thank you.